it's Rez. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do a classy Valentine's makeup look. I have two looks I'm going to do for you this week. I'm going to do the first one, like I said, being classy. Okay. And then the next one I'm going to do is a glamorous one. Let's go ahead and get started. And if you like this look, don't forget to go ahead and give me 2 thumbs way up. And don't forget to subscribe and become a member of my growing crazy and chaotic family. I'm going to go ahead in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Well, if I aim it right, it will go on my face. Just let that sit on your face for a little bit. And then for the next thing, so if you don't like a whole lot of foundation, or you have like a nice tan and you don't really need to put on a lot of foundation and your skin's pretty clear like mine is. So next we're going to go ahead and take our Glam Glow in Glow Starter, which is a mega illuminating moisturizer, and it's in nude glow, so it goes right with your face. And after this, there's nothing really else you need to do. I just take like a little pea size and I just dab all over my face like so. As you can see, and then we rub it in really well, and it's going to give you this nice like illuminating effect. Nice moisturized skin. You can see how shiny my face already looks. Like seriously, look at this. Now, if you wanted to do something, if you have like bags, you could go in with a little bit of concealer on under the under eye area. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead with the Glamouflage from Hard Candy, and it's a heavy duty concealer. And let me tell you what, this is $5, and it's very, very good, honestly. I'll show you how good it is. I'm going to go ahead and put some on my hand like so. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender. This one is more, it's a smaller one. It's more for your, like your eyes, the creases, nose area. So I'm just going to go ahead and dab it around in the concealer on my hand first. And then I'm going to apply it to the face. And then I'm going to just do a couple dots underneath like so. And then again with this eye. And because you're not wearing like a whole lot of makeup, you don't need like a whole lot of this. So you just want to make sure it's blended really, really well. But you see how well this little Beauty Blender works? It gets right under the eye crease. I'm just going ahead. And look at that. You basically have one eye that already looks not like you've been up for only 3 hours, like me. But at least our eyes look a little more awake, a little more bright. And hey, that's all that matters. All right, so next we're going to come in with the Smooth Operator by Tarte. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to set the face. I did put the moisturizer on under and just gently brush around my face. This helps just set the makeup better, makes you look a little more mattified. Perfect. It looks great. This is just going to help give you a more of an awake appearance. It doesn't look like you're part of death. It's how I feel right now. Pretty deathly. But I did it. I got up and I motivated myself today to make a video, and I'm going to do it. So, with Valentine's Day coming around, who doesn't want, you know, to know simple steps to make yourself look gorgeous on Valentine's Day? Regardless of how much makeup you wear, everybody's still gorgeous. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to tame my brows a little bit. I'm going to go in with this Ready Set Brow by Benefit Cosmetics. And this is one of my favorite things. I have really big, thick eyebrows. Color my eyebrows in because if I do, it makes it look like a cartoon character, and I don't want that. So I just go ahead. This is a clear setting gel for your eyebrow. And you just place it like so. And this will just help form it and keep it shaped throughout the day. This stuff is really, really amazing, guys. And look at that. And now you have a nice set eyebrow. Now, next we're gonna go ahead and we're going to do some eyeshadow primer, which is, I'm gonna take the NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna just dab this all over my eyelid. Like so. This will help keep the makeup on, last longer. I like to use a white. People use nude. You could use whatever color you want, whatever you have. Any eyeshadow based primer works best. This was $7. and it works wonderful for me. So I've been using it for years. This is, like I said, this is just a base. You need to worry. This is not how we're going to keep it, because you're going to blend everything out. You can make it look nice, but you can smooth it out just a little bit if you don't like it so white. But this is going to be a nice foundation now for your eyeshadow to stick and stay on your face all day. Let's go ahead and get an eyeshadow palette to use. So now we're going to go in with the Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen Tarte palette. I was so excited for this, and when I went to get it one year, it was sold out. I had to go everywhere to find this thing. Finally did a relaunch, and I was able to get it, and I was ecstatic. This is the palette, how it looks. It is so gorgeous, people, so gorgeous. And then when you open it up, oh, those colors are amazing. Look at those beautiful colors. It came with a brush too. I like to keep the brush in here. Here's the brush it came with. Ooh, that is not sanitary at all. It looks terrible. Do you see that? Like, what the heck what am I doing? Gorgeous. Sometimes my cats like to get up on my makeup table and just slay here, and then their hair gets in everything, and then I'm like, oh no, we can't put that in my eye. We're gonna do a light color on the top over here. So I usually use for this, I'm gonna use Gator Wings. It's actually a highlighter, but I like to use it in the top. Highlight your brow bone really nicely. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. And then the next one, I like to get all the way to the tippy top of the eyebrow and blend out. Go down just a little bit because you don't want to do too much, because you're going to put more colors. Then you're going to blend it all about. And now we're going to go on with, I love this thing. It is my favorite. And it is the Clean Sweep. And I think I found this at, I don't know. I think I found it $4 at TJ Maxx. Oh my God, look at all this stuff flying around. Go ahead and clean off the brush like so. And then look at that, you are ready for your next color. Now we're gonna go in with this color because we're gonna do like a lot of let's do some natural colors. So let's go ahead with Natural Peaches, and we're gonna go just below the brow bone with it. We're gonna go right into this like outer, almost inner crease area, leaving this open. Let's go in with Sassy Bun. Right here, we're gonna put that right here on the bottom of our lid, all over the top lid, like so. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Did you see that? Oh, that fallout. Look at that. Anyways, you're going to take Natural Peaches, which is this color right here, and you're going to put it right here into the inner crease area, like so. Oh my God. This is really pretty. Just in the inner crease area. So now that you've done that, we're gonna go ahead and put this down for a second. We're gonna take a moment to blend this eye out. So this is one of my favorite blending brushes ever. You see how fluffy it is, and it works so well on my eyes. It's from Sonia Kushak. It was a limited like art thing at Target. This is when I first started out with makeup, like doing makeup and stuff. These were the brushes I owned. I have a video of unboxing these brushes. So now let's go ahead and blend everything together. Everything. Not even kidding. So now you see the difference. You can see this eye right here, how it's kind of harsh. This eye is now more blended. I left the bottom just a little bit because I didn't want to blend the top lid out too much. Just the inner crease up into like the brow bone area, like so. Perfect. Look at that. It looks so pretty. See? Voila. And now we're going to go in with our eyeliner for the top lid. We're going to take this Inkwell liner, and it's a tattoo liner from Kat Von D. And I love it. I think it works a lot better than the pens. I do have the pens, and I love them just the same, but I think this one for like filling out the eye more. Actually, we should use the pen for just to outline the eye. And that's where I'm going to take the tattoo liner pen. And this is just black. And I'm going to make my drawings on the eye. So here we go. Perfect. I just wanted to base what I'm doing because then I'm going to go, like I said, and color it all in. Well, I did this one a little more up, I think, than this one. And now we're going to go, now that we have it lined, we're going to go ahead and fill it in and make it look a little more fancier with the Inkwell liner. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. I looked in the mirror. I was like, oh, it's not too bad. So we're going to just clean up just a little bit on the corners like so. Okay, I'm sorry. My timer went off and then, because that was for my nap. I set a timer for a nap and didn't even take it. You can smoke out your bottom eye, which is something I like to do. Actually, go back in with Gator Wings. It's that nice highlighter in the palette if you have it. And go in and just like do the corners like that. Oh my God. So we're gonna go ahead and take Dogman, which is this really, actually, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take Dogman, which is this nice like burgundy red color, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it on the bottom. Don't take my advice and use a big brush unless you know what you're doing. I just want to smoke it out of it. Ooh, I got it in my eye. Don't get it in your eye. Brilliant. So now you can see my eyes a little bit better now that I'm back a little bit. I'm going to take a little more Dogman and just, you know, make it a little more dark under the bottom. So as you can see, this is what you kind of get. And now I'm not done though, because we are not done. We need to go ahead and add on some mascara. We also need the under eye liner. So then you're going to gently take the eyeliner pencil and go on the waterline. You don't have to go too dark, but just enough to where you can see it makes a difference. See, this eye compared to this eye, and now this eye is red because I touched the eyeball with the pencil, which you're not supposed to do. So don't do that because doesn't feel good. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead in with Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and we are going, to drop it. We're going to drop it. I got it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and apply at least 2 coats to each lash. Oh yeah, buddy. And you could tell it makes a difference, like a huge difference compared. It absolutely looks beautiful. I love it. It looks gorgeous. It's simple. It's nice. I'm just brushing my hair out. You can leave it down. You can put it up. You can do whatever you want with it. And last but not least, we need to get a lip color. Now, when you have an eye that looks like this, you could do like a red. Where I have a nice neutral eye like this though, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick To me, it reminds me of like a wine color. I think it's just gorgeous. And this actually was like, I think $6 or $7 as well at Ulta, and it lasts a long time. It stays on. Oh, I need a little bit more. And here is the completed, classic, simple, beautiful Valentine's Day look. Oh, let me get my hair out of the way. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. And if you like this video, give it 2 thumbs way up. And don't forget to subscribe, become a member of my growing crazy chaotic family. I will have the next part of this video out by Valentine's Day, probably on Valentine's Day. So anyways, guys, that's it until the next video. I will see you all later. Thanks for watching.